let's talk about the next factor, rho. However, this is having a minor change in the option premium because it will happen only when there is change in the interest rate by the RBI reference rate. Whenever the RBI announces change in the interest rate, there is the only time when your rho changes, because rho is all about the interest rate because of the cost of funding. So rho is all about change in option premium because of change in cost of funding the underlying, and that is the reason if your rho increases, your call premium increases, but your put premium decreases. That is a concept you need to remember for the understanding point of view. Rho is the change in option premium given a 1 percentage point change in the risk-free interest rate, while rho measures the change in options per unit increases in the cost of funding the underlying. So again, to remind you, volatility always calculated into the percentage term. Your theta always remains into the negative side. As the day passes, your premium declines. Similarly, your rate of interest if increases, that is positive for the call side, call premium will increases. If rate of rho decreases, that is your positive for the put side. So this is how exactly this concept of the option Greeks as a rho works in the change into the option premium price. Now this is the symbol of the rho, measures change in the option price when stock price moves because of the change in the interest rate.
Register for our free webinar. Download our app today. Link in description.